Pivot tables are flexible and powerful tools that you can use to analyze your data dynamically in Microsoft Excel. One of the problems, however, is figuring out how to create a pivot table and to do it quickly. In Excel 2013, there is a new capability to create a recommended pivot table. So you can look at a list of pivot tables that the program recommends based on your data and create it with just a couple of clicks. I'll show you how to do that in this movie using the recpt sample file, which you can find in the Chapter 1 folder of your exercise files archive. So the data here in my Excel table is simply data by quarter, and then for each quarter I list each of the departments and the sales for that quarter. If I want to create a recommended pivot table based on that data, I click any cell in the list, as I've done before, then click the Insert tab, and in the Tables group, click the Recommended Pivot Tables button. Doing so displays a list of recommended pivot tables. So we have the top one here that's selected. You can also see sum of sales by category and quarter, which is here. And there are other recommendations further down. You might see more than 4, but 4 is pretty average for what you'll get. Now in this case, I will click this preview here, sum of sales by quarter and department. And to create the pivot table, all I need to do is click OK. And Excel creates a new worksheet that has the pivot table that I saw in the preview. So if you're having trouble deciding how to create your initial pivot table, use a recommended pivot table. It'll come into your worksheet and you'll have something to work with.